How to send a private message on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply take your cursor to the name of the person you want to message and click on Message at the top. After you click on the message at the top, message box will pop up. From here, you will be able to message them privately. Another thing which you can also do is if you're in Marketplace, you'll find different objects you can purchase. You can simply go to Marketplace, and if you want to send message privately in here, what you can do is click on the product, and at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find Send Seller a Message. Simply type in your message there and press on Send, and message will be sent privately. This is how to send a private message on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.